That's what I like. Yeah. Hey, say that bit again. Say it one more time, but say it slow.
PAWG, P-A-W-G. Badass white girls.
That's what I'm talking about.
What you like, bro?
Yeah.
I like fat ass white girls, the thick times,
Ooh,
curly types.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay. She's fall, fat ass white girl.
That ass white girl.
Shit, I got, but I
That's
know
what I'm
I'm
talking about.
I just hit a head hunter, then I changed no more. I just drop a color in just like an old homo. Damn, bitch pulled up, shot like she start for the thunder. My 2 G6s pulled a 8 to walk, it brought me under. I been flashing niggas, got they middle school diplomas. Getting geeky by the water, Sahhouse, Arizona. Brody grew up and got that weight off like he Jonah Hill. I'm tweaking, told this bitch too much while I was off a pill. I don't even like this bitch for real, I like how she feel. My white bitch so thick, turn me to Johnny Gill. I wish a bitch would try to steal, shoot her in her gills. Might take a dead off son in like I'm Uncle Phil. Caught the coupe and shoot the wheel, flick it like a reel. Off the booty, give chills, I don't even know it's real. Blocked out all my fields, built a house up in the field. She gave me top and I was annoyed still. Bitch ass for guap and I avoided steal. How you ain't none your hoes ever make a meal? Cross one of us, it's okay, make amends. Fucking in a Benz. 2 black Maybachs look like they Claremont twins. Ain't that else to do? I had been dropped out of school. I was way too geek, they thought that I was rude. Baby wanna link, persuade me with some news. I'm too paranoid, I'm fucking with my shoes on.